Number 1. Introducing the 1976 Ford Capri, a rare German-built hatchback that stands out as a unique project car. This classic vehicle has been upgraded with a 2.3-litre engine from a Ford Ranger, paired with a manual transmission for an engaging driving experience. The odometer reads 20,617 miles, and the body has undergone extensive work, leaving just a few small rust spots to address. Currently in drivable condition, the Capri offers a fun ride and an excellent foundation for further restoration. A fresh coat of paint is all it needs to truly shine. With fewer than 1,000 units remaining, this is a rare opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. For additional details, please visit the link provided in the description. Number 2, next up, is the 1954 Lincoln Capri Coupe, a classic project vehicle with a solid body and clean title. Covered for the last 15 years to protect it from the elements, this car remains a promising canvas for restoration. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission. The sleek black exterior, complemented by shaved doors and a low stance, offers a custom appearance. While it is not currently running, the package includes replacement seats and original skirts, making it ideal for rebuilding or customization. Located in Brea, California, this Lincoln Capri is brimming with potential. For more information, please refer to the link in the description. Number 3. This 1975 Porsche 914 is a collector's dream, boasting matching numbers and a clean body. With its silver paint gleaming and its 4-cylinder engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, this Porsche promises a spirited driving experience. The vehicle starts and runs, requiring only a tune-up to be roadworthy. Notable features include excellent glass and lights, fully functional pop-up headlights, and a removable top for versatility. With just 9,960 miles on the odometer, this rare classic is a fantastic find for restoration or as an addition to a collection. For more details, please visit the link provided in the description. Number 4. Meet the 1971 Chevrolet C10 pickup, a classic truck known for its timeless design and dependability. This pickup is powered by a 350 volts 8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, complemented by power steering and a clean title. Its bright yellow exterior showcases minimal rust, and the 5 lug wheels offer a solid base for restoration. Although motor work is required, the truck remains an excellent project for enthusiasts looking to restore or customize a rugged workhorse. For further information, please refer to the link provided in the description. Number 5. Introducing a 2-for-1 deal featuring a 1950 Chevrolet Fleetline and a 1949 model for parts. The 1950 Fleetline is nearly complete, with a restored motor and chassis ready to run and drive. The 1949 Fleetline serves as a parts car, offering windows, trim, and other components to aid in the restoration process. These vehicles are iconic examples of mid-century automotive style, perfect for collectors or anyone seeking a rewarding project. For more information, please visit the link provided in the description. Number 6. This 1962 Ford Falcon Ranchero combines practicality and vintage charm in a compact pickup design. Powered by a 6-cylinder engine and manual transmission, this vehicle runs and drives but requires brake bleeding for full functionality. The clean white exterior is complemented by intact glass and a solid body. Recent updates include new tires, a fuel tank, and a carburetor, making it a strong candidate for restoration. Located in Casa Grande, Arizona, this Ranchero is a versatile classic ready to find a new owner. For additional details, please visit the link provided in the description. Number 7, this 19975 Chevrolet C10 step-side is a short-bed classic truck offering great potential for restoration. Powered by a 350 small-block V8 engine and a TH350 automatic transmission, this pickup is in fair condition but requires work, including brake repairs, hood replacement, carburetor rebuilding, and new bedwood. Its blue exterior and clean South Carolina title make it a solid foundation for a rewarding project. For further information, please refer to the link provided in the description. Number 8, presenting the 1978 Chevrolet Scottsdale C10, a one-owner pickup with 125,000 miles. This rugged 4x4 truck features a 350-volt 8-engine, dual exhaust and dual gas tanks for reliability and performance. Paired with a manual transmission, the vehicle offers an engaging driving experience. The clean title and tires with 90% tread make it ready for the road. Located in Glenwood Springs, Colorado, this Scottsdale C10 is a great opportunity for collectors and truck enthusiasts alike. For more details, please visit the link provided in the description. Number 9. This 1947 Jeep CJ2A is a family heirloom with enduring off-road capability. Powered by a 4-cylinder engine and manual transmission. This Jeep runs well but requires a tune-up and a new master cylinder for optimal performance. Its classic green exterior and rugged design make it a standout in any collection. With its 4-wheel drive capability and clean title, this CJ2A is an excellent choice for restoration or adventure. Located in Dos, Texas, this is a must-see for Jeep enthusiasts. For additional details, please visit the link provided in the description. Number 10, next up we have the 1964 Ford Falcon Wagon, a rare and original 4-door station wagon in exceptional condition. Featuring a 6-cylinder engine and 3-speed manual transmission, this car is both practical and stylish. With a clean title and 99,000 miles on the odometer, it runs and drives well. The package includes a modified 8.8 rear end for enhanced performance. Its timeless white exterior and iconic design make this wagon perfect for families or collectors seeking a vintage classic. Located in Lakewood, Colorado, this vehicle is ready for its next chapter. For more information, please visit the link provided in the description. Number 11. Introducing the 1969 Austin Healey Sprite, a classic convertible embodying the charm of British motoring. Finished in a vintage green exterior, this roadster offers a manual transmission paired with a responsive 4-cylinder gas engine. With only 71,000 miles on the odometer and a clean title, This Sprite is a remarkable find for enthusiasts who appreciate its agile handling and iconic design. While it requires restoration, the car's solid foundation and manageable wear make it a rewarding project. Whether you envision a weekend cruiser or a full restoration, this Austin Healey Sprite is a true collectible waiting for a loving touch. For more information, please visit the link in the description. Number 12. Meet the 1979 Pontiac Trans Am, an American muscle car legend. This model comes equipped with a robust 403 cubic inch 6.6L V8 engine and an automatic transmission, delivering the powerful performance that defined an era. With 80,646 miles on the odometer, this Trans Am boasts a sandblasted and primed exterior in black, ready for a custom finish. Originally a light blue car, it requires restoration to reclaim its full glory. The structure is solid, providing an excellent base for a restoration enthusiast to bring this icon back to life. Located in Edmond, Oklahoma, this Pontiac Trans Am promises to be a rewarding project for any muscle car lover. For further details, please refer to the link in the description. Number 13, presenting the 1972 Volkswagen Beetle convertible, a classic symbol of style and simplicity. This Super Beetle features a rebuilt 1600 CCS engine, complemented by a Weber 45 carburetor and a new intake manifold, ensuring strong performance for its next owner. While the salvage-titled Beetle requires restoration, it includes additional new parts and a removed driver-side window that remains with the vehicle. Finished in primer, this car is a blank canvas for enthusiasts to recreate the charm of this iconic convertible. Located in Huntington Beach, California, this Beetle is ready to be revived as a piece of automotive history. For more details, please visit the link in the description. Discover the 1960 Ford Ranchero, a classic utility vehicle brimming with potential. Finished in white, this Ranchero features a 170 cubic inch engine with good compression, a new water pump, thermostat, and tires. It comes with a collection of spare parts, including 2 extra doors, bumpers, and fenders, providing ample resources for a complete restoration. The body is solid, with the exception of a crunched front fender, while the interior requires new floorboards. Sold with a bill of sale only, this Ranchero is an excellent choice for those seeking a rewarding project to restore a piece of Ford's legacy. Located in Fresno, California, this truck is ready to be transformed. For further information, please visit the link in the description. Number 15. Step into the past with the 1963 Ford Galaxie 500, a remarkable example of classic American design and engineering. Powered by a robust 390 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this Galaxie starts and runs well, offering a solid foundation for full restoration. The vehicle features intact solid floors, all interior trim pieces, and a replacement patch panel to address minor rear quarter panel damage. With a clean New Mexico title and an enduring presence, this car is perfect for collectors or enthusiasts looking to bring a classic cruiser back to life. Located in Rio Rancho, New Mexico, this Galaxie 500 is a rewarding project for those who value its iconic status. For more details, please visit the link in the description. Number 16, finally, introducing the 1976 Mercedes-Benz 280, a classic sedan that exudes elegance and luxury. Previously showcased as a show car, this model is finished in a stunning blue exterior and has just 102,000 miles on the odometer. Despite front-end body damage, the car remains in excellent condition with no frame issues. It requires a new hood, fender, grille and lights to restore its timeless beauty. This Mercedes-Benz comes with a clean title, original manuals, and a complete service history, providing a comprehensive background for potential buyers. Located in North Plains, Oregon, this vehicle is a rare opportunity for enthusiasts to own a piece of classic German engineering. For further information, please visit the link in the description.